Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. After a long time I'm talking to you guys. It feels really nice. I hope you all are doing great. So on today's video I'm gonna show you this beautiful makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. I already moisturized my skin, so I am starting by priming my face. For that I am using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer and applying all over my face. I think you can see I got 3 pimples. So I am covering this using LA Girl Green Corrector. Then blending this using my fingertips. Now for foundation, I am using NYX Professional Total Control Draw Foundation in shade beige and I am applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade medium and applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on forehead, around lips and on chin. Then again blending this all using beauty blender. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder Porcelain. Now for eyeshadow, I am using Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and taking this color puffs, I am applying on my crease area and slowly building the color and blending it properly. Now I am taking this color Burn It from Makeup Revolution 32 eyeshadow palette Flawless 4 and applying on my crease line and blending it. Now I am taking Sunshine and applying above my crease area and blending the edges. Now again I am taking Burn It and applying on the outer V of my eyelid and blending it properly. Then I am again applying blend on the outer V and blending it. I will cut my crease and make a false eyelid. For that I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and slowly cutting my crease. Then applying Sundae on my eyelid. Then taking Burn It, I am blending its edges. Now to create eyeliner, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Light and creating liner using an angle brush. Now taking puffs, I am applying it on my eyeliner. Then I am tightlining my waterline using a red eye pencil. Then applying puffs on my lower lash line. Then blending the edges using Sunshine. Now highlighting my inner corner using the color Lemonade. Then applying mascara on my lashes from Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Now I am contouring my face using NYX Professional Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tan and applying on my cheekbone, on jawline, on hairline and on nose. Then for blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush Palette and applying on my cheeks and on nose. Then highlighting my brow bone using the color from same palette. I'm also using the same color to highlight my face. Now for lips, I'm using PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner Flirty Fuchsia. So first I'm lining my lips. Then blending and filling my lips using a lipstick brush. Then applying lip gloss. Now I'm finishing my look using my always favorite Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Setting Spray. So this is the final look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.